What up, you guys? And today we're planting African water fern. I got this from PetSmart. I think this is like $6 for this entire thingy-majiggy, and it looks great. Look at it. What's it called? It looks like an outside bush. But anywho, I only have 3 rocks, and we're actually gonna be placing them on the rocks, by the way. But we're gonna maybe do 3 pieces, and then the rest you're gonna have to use your imagination and see what it looks like already placed, because I don't know where to get anymore right now, and all the driftwood is inside the aquariums already, and I'm lazy to take it out. Step 1, grab rocks. Step 2, grab glue. Step 3, glue or a string or something. Step 3, grab the plant that you want. Take out the plant you want, rinse it, and then you have this little string thingy that's around it, yarn. You want to either unstring it or just cut it open. Basically, you need to spread this around. There we go. Sometimes this is easier, and you have to be careful you don't ruin the leaves. Wow, this is a lot though. Okay, we're gonna cut this. There's a lot of yarn on this thing. This is ridiculous. Typically it wouldn't be this much. I don't understand why they use so much. I need scissors for this. With scissors you have to be very careful you don't cut the roots. So just keep an eye out for that. All this yarn. See, this is not yarn, this is roots. There's a difference between the yarn. Very difficult to see, to be honest, but there's a little bit of a difference. So this plant comes with a bunch of rhizomes, as you can tell. Look at that. This is the rhizome. These are the roots. This is the stem. And these are the leaves. So you want to place this onto whatever you want. Rock, driftwood. I typically like driftwood, but driftwood can get expensive. So we're gonna use rocks today because that's what I have already, and I don't have to go and buy or leave the house to get it. Like I said, we're making life easy today. We're gonna be planting 2 pieces on this one. On the first one, let's take out our rocks. That's the first one that came out. That's the first one we're gonna use. You're gonna make sure it's dry. Get a piece of paper or tissue paper. Make sure this is completely dry. Surface is dry as well, and you want to make sure this is dry. At least the rhizome part is where you're gonna glue. And yeah, again, you use glue. I've used this multiple times and it's been fine with my aquariums. Hasn't given me a problem yet. I'm trying to figure out where you want to put this on. Again, you want the rhizome to be able to hit light, so you just gotta keep that in mind. You don't want it too low. Remember, with this type of glue, a little bit goes a long way. And then you want to, once you place where you want it to go, you put the glue down, and then you want to hold for a few seconds. I would say 20 seconds would be to be sure, but I typically do 10 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna do another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could do another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. Kind of looks like a little bit of a palm tree kind of a vibe, which is cool. What's it called? We're gonna add one more to this, just because we have. So a lot of these are just loose leaves, like no rhizome. See, this has a rhizome, but no leaves, so it can't grow any nutritions. At least I don't think so. We could try. I'll place it on. I don't think it'll come out, but it doesn't hurt to try. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done there. So that's this one with the extra one that's right there. And then we have another one. Here we go. I'm gonna use this one. Grab a rock. I'm gonna use this big one. You want to make sure when you place the rock down, you kind of like just throw it and see where it stays, so you know how it's gonna look like in the aquarium. That it won't fall over every time, and then it'll knock over your plant or whatever you're putting on, or whatever's next to it. Again, you want to dry the rhizome. Again, you want to glue the rhizome. The roots you don't want to. I mean, if you get a little bit, it's fine, but you try to avoid to. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So my phone interrupted me again about the storage space. So let's get back to it. Again, we did one already. We did the second one. We're gonna add this one onto there as well. Just drying off the thing. What's it called, guys? I'm posting a bunch of videos because I want to get monetized. So if you have any ideas of what I should post next, please let me know that you find it interesting. I will make the video. I'm also looking for fish, particularly rainbow fish and CPDs, or my next breeding project. So if you have any in mind, or peppermints, I'm very into peppermints. If you find any, please let me know. That's not crazy price, because I want to pick up, like, say 12. I don't want to pay full price. So yeah, if you know anybody who has, please let me know. I'll take up to 20 of them, to be honest. I have enough space, so it's fine. So if you do know of anybody, message me, please. What's it called? And maybe I give you one if you find what I want for the right price, and we come to an agreement. But yeah, just so you guys do know, again, we're placing a little bit of glue. A little bit goes a long way, and you're holding down for 20 seconds. How many seconds was that so far? It stayed. What's it called? We have our last rock and our last. I think we can make it work. I don't know, these are pretty big. Now we're gonna only do one. The other one is gonna have to find another place. So we're gonna grab our rock. Again, we just place it down. Nice. We play with it till we find that, you know what, it keeps falling to that side. So we know what it's gonna look like in the aquarium. So we might have placed too much, but it's fine. Just drag it around a little bit. And then we hold down for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Finito. And that's how I've placed my African water fern. Now, when you're using this glue, I realized a good thing is that you have to make sure it's cured before you place it in your water. You don't want any of these chemicals going inside your aquarium. So what I would like to do is basically I grab a cup of water. Doesn't have to be aquarium water, any type of water. And after I let this dry for about 2 minutes, I'll dump them in there for another 20 minutes, and then I can place them in my aquarium, and I'll feel comfortable enough that it won't harm my fish. But we're gonna go get another cup like this. Actually, we're just gonna throw it in here. We're gonna just wait for these to dry up a little bit. This one I know is dry because that one's what's done before. This one as well, nice and slowly, so I don't crush any other plants. But yeah, I'll show you guys what this looks like in the aquarium.
Now let's place them in my rainbow aquarium. I know rainbows love plants, so I'm going to just throw them all in here. As you can see, it doesn't look like much, but slowly and steady it starts to grow, and eventually, with time, it's actually going to get taller and more fluffy, so it's actually going to look like a little bit of a forest that they can swim by. Anyway, that's it. That's all we have, so
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.